Hello guys, this is me Harivatrai from Live with SEO. Today I'm going to show you an alternative to a popular extension called SEO Minion. So as you guys are probably aware that SEO Minion is now paid. So if you have a subscription to already popular extension or tool called Keyword Everywhere, then you can use SEO Minion. But so since I'm a free user, so I don't have any options, so I am here to tell you the alternative of SEO Minions. There are several other tools to use, but here I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process what you can do in order to enjoy the features of SEO Minion. You can have an alternative. Why not? Let's build a tool like SEO Minion. So it's just an extension, right? So we can easily build that and probably use while auditing the website. So let's jump into the process, how we can use SEO Minion, how we can utilize the features of SEO Minion. So what you need to do is first you need to go to ChatGPT. Okay, so 3.5 also works and GPT-4 also works. Whatever you have, you can easily use that. So I will simply type write me a bookmarklet JavaScript code for highlighting the internal links on the page. So you guys already know that Minion highlights the internal link as well as it has a broken link features and all those other features. So I will simply make a tool by myself. Okay, so how do I do that? Simply write a prompt like this and simply click on enter. So it will give me a code. So it's giving a code. So this saves lots of time while auditing the website. So this is the time saving process, guys, so you can use it. Okay, so you can have an additional instruction here, but I will simply copy the code here and simply go to my Chrome window, and simply when I right click on the bookmark tab, if you have a bookmark there, so I will simply add a page here. Okay, simply click on add a page, and this is internal link highlighter. Okay, so what you need to do is simply I have copied the code from ChatGPT. I will click on paste it here and it will paste the okay, so here it is the bookmark, right? So let's see if it works or not. I will go to the website. When you browse any website, let's just say I browse backlinko, and when I click on this internal link highlighter, it will highlight all the internal linking on the page. So this is handy, guys, so we can build similar tools like that. Okay, so I will simply go to ChatGPT and let's see write me a bookmarklet Java script code for highlighting do follow links. Okay, when you click on that, you enter, it will show up a code. Okay, so if your website uses no follow, do follow links, it will show up and it will highlight. So this saves lots of time while doing the audit of the website. So I will do the similar process, right click on the bookmark tab, add a page, and it will highlight do follow links. Okay, I will simply copy paste the JavaScript code into the bookmark, and let's browse this website, refresh it again, and click on do follow. Okay, so when I click on do follow, it will highlight, see guys, it will highlight all the links. The yellow are the highlighted links. So that's how you do it, guys. So it will highlight all the follow links here. Okay, so now let's go to ChatGPT and build another tool. I need 404. Okay, so write me bookmarklet JavaScript code for highlighting 404 links on the page. Okay, so I enter that. Okay, it will generate a code. We need to simply copy paste, and same process, guys. So this is how we build our own tool. It comes handy while doing the audit of the multiple website. You simply saves lots of time. So this is great, guys, saves lots of time. Okay, so you need to add a page. Okay, so 404 links, simply copy paste the information, done, boom. Okay, so let's see if this page has any 404 links. Okay, might not be, because backlinko is a great SEO guy. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I'll keep making such videos again and again, so keep supporting, keep like, subscribe, and maybe share. Okay, thank you guys.